So I'm going to start, the where I have left is, okay, keyword research. So I'm going to teach you how to do a keyword research. Okay, right. See, we have a keyword is digital marketing course. Now you can see digital marketing course having 10 to 100K keywords. That means people searching this keyword 1 lakh time, between 10,000 to 1 lakh in monthly. Google
Okay.
digital marketing course, online digital marketing courses. Here you can see, all the monthly searches of digital. Now let's come to the digital marketing training. Yeah, yeah, digital marketing training. It's 1K to 10K, 1,000, between 1,000 and 10,000. Here you can see lot of people searching 1K, between 1K and 10,000. If you compare this keyword in digital marketing course having a lot of people searching. So what is your targeting is, according to me, you have to choose digital marketing course. Here in the right of side you can see the competition as well, right? High, medium, low. See, this keyword is easy to compete, because this keyword having a medium level. Let's see a course as well, because the high the competition, it is hard to rank that keyword in Google.
Okay.
Okay, see, this keyword having high competition.
I think we have
Digital
searched it,
marketing course,
it's earlier.
digital marketing course keyword will take more than usual time as it will take for digital marketing training. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग कीवर्ड अगर हम चूज टारगेट करते हैं तो उसको रैंक करना गूगल पे ज्यादा इजी होगा एज कंपेयर टू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्स में,
Oh,
बिकॉज डिजिटल
okay.
मार्केटिंग हैविंग a less competition, digital marketing training having a less competition. That keyword having a medium and this keyword having a high competition. See, point to understand is, we have to choose the keywords very carefully. See, you can choose all the words together, like you need to put words together. आप एक कीवर्ड का दो कीवर्ड भी कर सकते हो. Okay, like see, uh, I'll just giving you example how you can work on the keyword. See, if you see, Shubham is making a website in digital marketing course. He is
Yes.
working on website as well. Keyword, his primary keyword is WordPress Training Institute. Okay, web
Yes.
development training company in Gurgaon, in Delhi. He can target. So see, intuition is there. Whenever, see, this is your business. You know your business better than anyone else in the in the world. So
Yes.
basically, the point is you have to choose your keyword with the proper study, proper research. See, Abe, if you are working on some blog uh, like food, on travel, see, travel companies in Gurgaon, travel companies in Delhi, like that. Okay.
Okay.
See, now I'm going to tell you is, uh, Abe and Shubham, if you are working on some on your product like website, blog, so for before I go to the next session from tomorrow 12 the same time, you have to choose
Okay.
5 keywords for your product. Okay, so I can start with the digital marketing SEO on page, SEO off page. It will help you to rank that keyword. I will optimize all these keywords in your website. Okay, Abe, if you are having
Okay.
any, if you are having any uh, product or blog website, just let us know so I can work on that as well. I will give you example of that, just like Shubham having on website. शुभम की खुद की वेबसाइट है एक, टेक्नो इंसाइडर माइट बी इज टेलिंग यू और नॉट. So
Yes, sir. Techno Insider.
he's working on some product. Abhi, if you have some product of your own, start targeting the keywords for your
Actually, he is
common.
also working in Techno Insider.
Okay, he's already working on. What is his role over there?
He is working in Techno Insider website too with me.
No, with you. What is role he's over there?
Actually, he is a graphic designer and VFX artist. So he's doing video animation and graphic designing for the website. But he is also
Oh,
interested in digital marketing.
okay, okay, great. Okay, so okay, Shubham, let's wind up this today's session.
Okay.
And before coming to the tomorrow session, and one thing more, ask your participant if they are not comfortable on this time 12 p.m, so we can do this another time, like if they are comfortable with the in the night, in the evening, so we can do
Okay.
accordingly.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
I will ask in the group and let you
Yeah,
know.
so because there are not, there's no benefit to give session to two people only, so
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
ओके
Fine.
शुभम, ऐसे करते हैं आज के लिए सेशन इतना वाइंड अप करते हैं. एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट tomorrow session. Ask your participant according they are comfortable. So
Okay.
till then you just have to select your keywords which we can use in Techno Insider. See, I can see your website is Techno Insider. Like, just a minute, last question, last point.
Yeah.
I have seen your website yesterday. There are 6 terms like web, digital marketing, website development, e-commerce solution, graphic designing, and video animation, and app development.
Yeah.
Okay. So point is,
Yes.
you have 6 module in your company. So what you need to do is you have to choose one keyword of each module. Like digital marketing course, where are you going to
Okay.
target is website development, e-commerce solution, graphic designing. In all these 6 modules, you have to select one keyword of each. Okay, and then we will start tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay,
and
sure.
the last thing is, have you connected the Google Webmaster and Google Analytics of this website?
I have corrected the Google Analytics, but not the Google Webmaster right now.
Okay, so we will start by tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so I'm going
Okay.
to
Okay.
stop this screen and going to leave the meeting. If you have any question, you can ask me, Shubham.
Okay. Right now I don't have a question, but and we will continue tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I will do
Okay,
my
okay.
work.
Then just review what I have done today, what the session about is all about today. So if you have questions, I will take tomorrow session. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Shubham.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Have a
Rishabh.
great day. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.